Ben's spaceship beeped loudly. "Oh no! Kira's ship is broken!" he shouted. Kira floated nearby, her antennae drooping. "Can you help me, Ben?" Kira asked. "Of course," Ben replied. "We'll fix it together." They opened the engine hatch, sparks flying everywhere. "This looks tricky," said Ben. Kira nodded and replied, "We'll need teamwork." Suddenly, a cloud of grumpy space bugs surrounded them, and one hissed, "Stay back!" Ben stepped forward and replied, "Let's talk, not fight." Kira held out a shiny wrench. "We can share our tools," she said. The bugs blinked, surprised. Slowly, they stepped aside. Ben smiled and said, "Kindness works every time." They started repairing the ship, passing bolts and wires carefully. A small alien crab appeared, looking lost. Kira whispered to Ben, "Can we help him?" Ben nodded and he replied, "Even little friends matter." Together, they fixed the ship's engine. Sparks danced into the sky, lighting up distant stars. The grumpy bugs clapped their claws. Kira said, "See? Empathy can turn strangers into friends." Ben laughed and responded, "And trust makes teamwork stronger." They climbed into the cockpit. Ben asked Kira, "Ready for takeoff?" Kira grinned and replied, "More than ever." The spaceship zoomed through starlit skies, leaving trails of sparkling kindness behind. "Adventure is better with friends," Ben said. Kira hugged him and replied, "And the more we care, the more the universe smiles." They soared to new planets, hearts full of joy. This adventure teaches you that kindness, empathy, and trust can turn challenges into opportunities, and even grumpy or fearful creatures can become friends.